Chinese proverb, when the winds of change blow. Some people build walls. Others build windmills. Part 2's meaning. Change is part of life. Sometimes it's small, sometimes it shakes us. We can't control what happens, but we can choose how we respond. Some build walls, they shut down, avoid pain, stay stuck. Others use the wind, they grow, they move forward. This proverb reminds us, change can break you or build you. Part 3, 2 responses. Imagine losing a job or facing a challenge. One person feels helpless, I can't do this. They give up, build walls, and stay stuck. Another feels the same fear, but takes a pause. They ask, what can I learn? They upskill, seek help, and try again. That's building a windmill, rising with the wind, not against it. Part 4, reflection. Life brings change. We don't control the wind, but we choose what to build. Next time the wind blows, will you build a wall or a windmill?